Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video we are going to create a new file which name will be logout.php. So in the previous videos we have completed our login section. We have successfully logged in dashboard.php for the admin section, and we have successfully logged into the user.php for the user section. And now we need to create a logout.php page. So here we need to give the functionality for the logout. If I log in my dashboard.php file, then you can see here I have created a menu item which name is logout, and here I want to log out the application. Okay, so what I need to do, simply let's go on our code editor and select our folder. Which folder I am going to select? UI folder. So inside the UI folder I am going to create a new file which name will be logout.php, and in that file I am going to write code for the logout. First of all, I need to write here php, and inside the php code I need to start a session first. Okay, session. Okay, then terminate. After starting the session, what I need to do, simple, I need to destroy the session. So terminate this, and after destroy the session, what I need to do, I need to redirect our page on the index.php, means on the login page. So okay, so for that what I need to do, simply I can use here header method again, and inside the header I can write location, then index.php. okay, so you can see here our logout.php file inside the UI folder, and the index.php file is outside from the UI folder. That's why I wrote this syntax, okay, this relative path. So save the file. And how can we use this logout.php file? Simply let's go on dashboard.php, and here we have our header, and let's go in header.php. Here is the header, and simply let's go for the menus, and here in the menus we have logout option. So here you can see the hyperlink, hyperreference and anchor tag, and here you can see we can remove this and we can give here logout.php. okay, save our file, and let's go on our browser, refresh our page, and click on logout.php. Perfect, you can see we have successfully logged out from our application. Okay, now let's try to access UI, then dashboard.php. We cannot access directly because session is destroyed. Okay, let's again log in, and we have successfully logged in UI dashboard. If we go back on our index.php, okay, again let's go inside the UI folder, and then dashboard.php we can access because the session is not destroyed. If we click on logout.php, the session is destroyed. So click on logout, and now session is destroyed, and again we are trying to access the dashboard.php without login, so we will not be able to access the file. Let's see. Yes, you can see here. Okay, what I have wrote in this file in logout.php here is simple. We have started the session, and we have destroyed all the session from our application, and then we have redirect user to the index.php file. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question, but one thing more I want to do in this lecture for you. Let's go. A simple thing you can do with header user.php, and here you can pass simple logout .php. Okay, let's save, and for the user we can also log out from the user section. And let's go on header.php file, and here in header.php file, first let me show you the dashboard.php page. Let me first log in, and here you can see the name Alexander Pierce, and I want to show my name here. So how can we do that? Simply let's go in header.php, and you can see here this. So what I need to do, simple, cut this and write here some php tag here, and inside the php I can simply write here $_session, and inside there I can write user name. Okay, and let's terminate, and let's echo this session variable from here. Okay, and let's save and see the output, it is working or not. Okay, and open our application, then refresh. Perfect, you can see my name here, username here. Okay, if I log in from the user, we can see the username here. So the same thing we need to do with the header user.php. Let me copy this line, and let's go in header user, and let's go just above here, and let's paste here. Okay, save. Now let's go back on our browser, logout. So let's try to log in using of a user account and user@gmail.com. so it should be show the username, and let's try login success by user. Okay, so it is showing us the problem. Let's again try by login user. Okay, login here is login is success, but it is not redirecting us on the user.php file. So here let's go in our user.php file, and here all the code is correct. So we are not able to pass the session variable there in user.php. So what the mistake I have done, let's go on index.php. you can see here we have created the session variables in index.php in the previous video. So copy this session variables from here, copy, and let paste in this section for the user section. Okay, so let paste it here and save index.php file. Okay, now from here for the user section, the user file can get the session variable from here. Okay, now let's go back on our index.php file, and again let's try to access or log in user account from the user@gmail.com. password is 123. let enter, login successful. Perfect, it is working now. So now you can see here the user. Okay, and you can see here the logout. If I click on logout, it will log out from the page. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video.